Good morning to all of you. Today the topic is electrochemical machining. First we will start introduction. Electrochemical machining is a non-traditional machining process belonging to electrochemical category. It is opposite of electrochemical or galvanic coating or deposition process. The ECM can be thought of a controlled anodic dissolution at atomic level of the workpiece that is electrically conductive by a shaped tool due to flow of high current at relatively low potential difference through an electrolyte which is quite based neutral salt solution. So next is the diagram of electrochemical machining you seen in the slide, that is workpiece in both the beakers, tool is also in both the beakers, electrolyte shown in the first beaker. The next is the process of electrochemical machining. During electrochemical machining, there will be the reactions occurring at the electrodes, that is at the anode or workpiece, and at the cathode or the tool along within the electrolyte. So let us take an example of machining of low carbon steel, which is primarily a ferrous alloy mainly containing iron. For electrochemical machining of steel, generally a neutral salt solution of sodium chloride is taken as the electrolyte. The electrolyte and water undergoes ionic dissociation as shown below as potential difference is applied. जब हम सोडियम क्लोराइड की रिएक्शन करवाते हैं तो वो Na पॉजिटिव प्लस Cl नेगेटिव आइंस को स्प्लिट करता है सोडियम क्लोराइड, दैट इज NaCl गिव्स Na पॉजिटिव आइन प्लस Cl नेगेटिव आइन। इसी तरह जब हम वाटर की कराते हैं H2O को रिएक्ट करवाते हैं तो हमें H पॉजिटिव आइन OH नेगेटिव आइंस मिलते हैं। As the potential difference is applied between the workpiece and the tool, the positive ions move towards the tool and negative ions move towards the workpiece. Thus, the hydrogen ions will take away electron from the cathode and from hydrogen gases. इसी तरह जब हम हाइड्रोजन और दो हाइड्रोजन को और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को करवाते हैं रिएक्ट तो हमें क्या मिलते हैं H2 पॉजिटिव आयंस मिलते हैं। सिमिलरली द आयरन एटम्स विल कम्स आउट ऑफ द एनोड। जब हम आयरन की रिएक्शन करवाते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलते हैं Fe पॉजिटिव आयंस और 2E इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मिलते हैं। विद एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आयरन ions would combine with chloride ions to form iron chloride, and similarly sodium ions would combine with hydroxyl ion to form sodium hydroxide. So Na positive plus OH negative ions forms sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Next is in this manner it can be noted that the workpiece get gradually machined and gets precipitated as the sludge. Moreover, there is the machined surface is of excellent surface finish and stress free. So next is the voltage is required to the applied for the electrochemical reaction to process at a steady rate. Resistance or potential drops They are the electrode potential, second the activation over potential, ohmic potential drop, fourth concentration over potential or ohmic resistance of electivity. So next is the equipments used in electrochemical machining. First is electrolyte filtration and delivery system, second tool feed system, third is power supply, and fourth is working tank. So first is dynamics of electrochemical machining. It can be undertaken without any feed to the tool or with a feed to the tool so that a steady machining gap is maintained. A dynamics with no need to the tool. Figure below show the machining with no feed to the tool and an instantaneous gap between the tool and workpiece of H. जो गैप होता है हमारा टूल और वर्क पीस के अंदर, उसको हम इससे एच से डिनोट करते हैं. सो इन द फिगर shown in the slide of electrochemical machining, you see that the job piece, tool, electrolyte seen in the slide. Next is applications. ECM electrochemical technique, machining technique removes material by atomic level, dissolution of the same by electrochemical action. Thus, the material removal rate of machining is not dependent on the mechanical or physical properties of the work material. The surface finish is excellent with almost stress-free machine surface and without any thermal damage. So, what are the uses of electrochemical machinery? First is die sinking, second is profile contouring, third is trepanning, fourth is grinding, fifth is drilling, or last is micro machining. Thank you.